Ever since I started my travels for the Documenting America series, I became a big fan of experiencing the place and its culture by living the local life for whatever time I have, rather as a tourist. And staying in Summerville to explore the Low Country in Charleston was the best idea. It's chill, spacious, and pretty. We stayed at a place with a charm of Southern hospitality and where they have chickens. Really cute ones. Well, good morning, ladies. Yesterday, I opened the refrigerator when we got in, and it was full. There was like loads of eggs, fresh eggs. It was so cool. We're gonna be having some eggs today. So we have an amazing day planned for today. At first, after breakfast, we're going to go to this beautiful Azalea Park, Azalea Square Park. It's spring now, so azaleas are blooming. I'm excited to see that. Then we're gonna go to Cypress Gardens, which is absolutely incredible. Summerville is a beautiful and relaxed extension of Charleston, which is only 20 minutes away for a fraction of the price. We truly enjoyed spending time there, wandering around the streets, enjoying the food and stores, the islands, and the incredible nature. Summerville itself has a cute center and antique shops. It's a home of vicious biscuits, something you've got to try at least once in your life. There are many good restaurant choices, and I listed the ones I liked in the description for your reference. And given that Summerville is a birthplace of sweet tea, I have a link for sweet tea pecan pie for you. Guess what? Here in Summerville, they have Piggly Wiggly store, which is America's very first like a self-serving grocery store. Back in old days, you would have a list of things you need to buy, and then you present it to the clerk, and clerk goes and puts it all together for you and brings it. You paid for it. Piggly Wiggly was the first store to have price marked every item and first to have checkout stands. And it is here if you need it. During spring, Summerville is full of blooms. There's Azalea Park if you're up for a walk or a run. And Summerville is a home to the annual Flower Festival, one of the largest arts and crafts in Southeast. Just check the dates. I will link the website in the description. Okay. You guys go. I'm staying here. Goodbye. Summerville is only an hour and a half from the truly unique Congaree National Park. But if you don't have time to get there, I have the most beautiful place for you to check out. Alright, you guys, I know it started raining, but I have a treat for you. About 30 minutes away from Summerville, there's this incredible Cypress Garden, and I'm going to show you. It is amazing and definitely worth the trip. Cypress Gardens is a 175-acre swamp garden that was originally a freshwater reserve from Cooper River for the 1750 Dean Hall rice plantation. They basically dug it out and fitted it with a water gates. Later, the property was sold and turned into a duck hunting reserve by the new owner. But due to lack of use and maintenance, it turned into a swamp. The gardens were battered by Hurricane Hugo and the historic 2015 flood. Berkeley County owns it now, and it's been restored and renovated, and it is absolutely amazing. We rented a boat and paddled along the trail, and it was so amazing that I didn't mind the rain. I was looking for alligators, birds, and turtles, but I think they minded the rain. There's also a 3.5 mile of walking trails that loops through the swamp and a butterfly house. It's $10 to enter, and very much worth it. These are bald cypress trees. They are tall and very impressive, so very graceful rising from the water. They're called bald because they shed their leaves pretty early in the fall. They do turn cinnamon and fiery orange before they fall. Since they tend to grow along rivers and in wetlands, they're good at soaking up floodwaters, and that's really cool. Okay, you guys, my hat, everything is wet, but it was so absolutely worth it. I think at this point this is it, and thank you so much for watching. All the links I'm going to have in the description, everywhere we went to today, and yeah, please subscribe, please like if you liked it, and please follow me on Instagram. Here's my handle. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.